What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the cabin air filter in a 2022 Toyota Tundra. And I'll put a link in the description box to this video to where you can purchase these cabin air filters if you're in need. So the cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to open the glove box. Now if we take a look at the rear of it, we see this panel right here. And there's this clip on the right hand side you need to push in, and then this whole L-shaped panel will pull off like that. Once we get that out of there, we see this item that says up on it. This is the access door to the cabin filter, and there's these pinch clips on the side. And I know my fingers are kind of in the way there, but what I was doing there was just kind of pinching these together. So pinch that, and then that side will just pull off like that. And now this is the tray to the cabin filter right here, this plastic piece. So we want to slide that out. And if yours is dirty, you'll want to do this outside the vehicle. I'm just going to show in here because this one's pretty clean and it's better lighting. So if you notice on this tray, it says up with an arrow. The cabin filter is going to have the same thing. And this is an OEM style filter, right? So it has an arrow pointing up and it says up, just as this tray does. On some of the replacement filters, you might actually have one where it says airflow. If it says airflow and has an arrow, you want the arrow pointing down. You want the airflow going down. But if it just has an arrow and says up, you want it installed with it pointing up, matching this tray. Okay, and that'll really just come down to your filter. And so this tray you'll reuse. This is the part that'll come out. You can just kind of squeeze it in and it'll pull out. And then there's these two plastic ridges that kind of sit in the ruffles. That's the only thing you'll have to really kind of situate in there to make sure these two are sitting in a ruffle and everything's laying flat. Once you have your new filter in that tray, come back in here and slide it back in. And it really only slides in there one way, but you want to orientate it with that arrow pointing up. Once you have your tray slid back in there, we're going to put the access door on. And again, you'll orientate this with that arrow pointing up. And what we want to do is start those two tabs in on the left side. They just kind of slide into place. And then this side will snap on. Like that. Once you get the access door snapped on, we need to put this L-shaped panel back in there. And what you need to do is start the left-hand side in first. There's those two tabs that need to tuck in there. And then this will snap back into place there. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.